Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your Rumble account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as well any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply going to your browser, typing in rumble.com as I have done on top. You can see after that you will be able to access the official website of Rumble itself, and you can tap on your profile icon over here and make sure you're logged in as well, because if you're not, then you will find this option of sign in or sign up instead. After you have done, you can find this drop down menu list will appear afterwards. What you're gonna do then, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option called account options given below live streaming. Then in this section you can find all kind of options given over here, right? And then afterwards what you're gonna do, you can find this option called expand given below in the black box. Go ahead, tap on it, and now this will give you this kind of interface, including this option called account verifications. Afterwards go ahead, tap on it. If you do not tap on the collapse expand, you won't be able to get access to that option itself. Go ahead, enter your country code over here, including your then enter your number over here. Once you have done so, you can choose either of the text me or call me option. Once you have done so, you will be able to get yourself a verification code. Afterwards you have added it, you will be able to get yourself verified. For me, you can see I have a verified account. After the number you add, you will find this code. Once you add it, your account will be verified itself. So that is the way for you to do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.